I'm with Rich Klaben. Thank you for shopping at Klaben.com. 50 plus years, the Klaben name has been attached to vehicles in Northeast Ohio. And Rich, over that time, let's face it, the price of new vehicles has been going up. A lot of good value with pre-owned used cars, right?
Absolutely. Today more than ever, because of what you said, new cars are going up in price. So used cars, if you find the right one, represents an incredible value. If I wasn't in the business, I'd be looking at a pre-owned vehicle. It's important. You're going to have to spend more time on the car because they're not all the same. And if you're not getting transparency, then walk away from it. There's a lot of used cars out there. The other thing is who you're buying it from. If you're buying it from the person who had it and drove it and can tell you everything about that car, there's a sense of confidence, absolutely. So make sure who you're buying it from can fill that in for you.
This is an important transaction. You're thinking about a car, come to Klaben. Experience what Klaben's all about.
Klaben.